for example this one, and then you can add that into whitelist and it will be added like this. If you want to add this into gray list, it will be like this, but you can always remove all expressions. Hey, what's up guys, it's Sam from BSG Tech. In today's video I will show you cookie auto delete extension which works for Chrome, Firefox and Microsoft Edge. The main features about cookies auto delete extension is to automatically delete cookies from the closed tabs. There's an option to add websites on gray list or white list, and you have that support as well. Easily export, import your configurations, clear all cookies for a domain, and this also supports manual mode clearing from the pop-up. You can also see the number of cookies for a website. Also, the usage explains that if you add the sites you want to keep the cookies for the whitelist, they will stay there unless you restart your browser. You can enable automatic cleaning in the settings or auto clean in pop-up, and also watch those unused cookies disappear. Installation guide explains it's available from official channels only. You can download from Google Chrome or from Firefox store, and as we are using Microsoft Edge, we will be going into the Edge store. From there you will see that the cookie auto delete is there. The extension is there, developed by CAD team. Then screenshots, and if you click on the get button you will add that extension, and then it will land you on the welcome page. As you can see, we have this welcome page. The first thing you will notice on this page is reset cookie counter. Here are some release notes. If you click on the CAD setting, it will give you 3 tabs right in the middle: export core settings, import core settings, and restore default settings. Then here we have some key information available to go through. Automatic cleaning option, enable that between 15 seconds, or you can increase or decrease that. Enable cleanup of discarded unloaded tabs, and if you click on the question mark it will explain how this works. Site data from open tabs on startup, and you can also enable clean all expired cookies option. So the tabs are there. Other browsing data cleanup options are also there, and then you have extension options, and these are the number of pop-ups available to increase or decrease. You can go through these tabs. Very straightforward and easy to understand. List of expressions, if you come on this page there are no list of expressions. If you click these options, export or import expressions, it will download. For example, if we have this will download, and you can remove all expressions from this option, which is highlighted in red. Gray list and white list options are there. As I mentioned earlier, you can add websites in these list, and you can type the address of the website here, for example this one, and then you can add that into whitelist and it will be added like this. If you want to add this into gray list, it will be like this, but you can always remove all expressions. If you want to delete that, we will try again and add this in the whitelist. So any cookies on this page that are basically now logged as whitelist or allowed in that settings page. Clear up log will build up, and you can see that, and if you click on clear log it will clear everything from here. And about section gives you about the overall history, and also there's a tab for contributors. You can see that the people who have contributed with the GitHub contributor link, and for documentation you can come here and see. So that was it about cookie auto delete extension for Chrome, Firefox and Microsoft Edge. Thumbs up, like, subscribe and share. Any questions, more than welcome to answer in the comment section below. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.